Seacon. New England Golf Carts of Seacon is New England's premier provider of gas and electric golf carts, utility vehicles, rentals, accessories, parts, service, and repair. Check them out at NewEnglandGolfCarts.com, and we are ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's that? 15. Take off. Up front.
15 takes the lead back here. There's a pack of five right now fighting for third place. The 92X trying to sneak in. A little bit of a win. Ryan racing through the lead. 92X will not be denied as he makes a move coming out of turn 3 and 4.
3 wide off the corner of the 111. Head down into turn number 1. Who's it going to be? The 111 got the advantage. The 92X is still running. Couple of months behind him, gets caught up. Take him off before the 111 sideways, and 92X moves up the front. Number 1.
92X inheriting the lead. He's going to wait until he's got red flags in place now.
That red flag out once again. Check out the driver 15. Make sure that he is okay. That was a little bit of a bounce off the corner. And of course, safety is always at the forefront of what we do here each and every event. Mark Labby in the Elwood Dodge Jeep Ram track truck, quick on the scene to check on the driver, make sure that he or she is okay.